Welcome to Serenity Tales. I'm going to enjoy a nice story that can help you be able to relax and drift off into a long, deep sleep. But first, let's take a few deep breaths. Just take a breath in and out. And in and out. Again. Two more. Last one. Now let's enjoy the story. In a quiet corner of the forest, where the trees stretched tall and the stars twinkled brightly, lived a little nightingale named Nico. Nico had soft, warm feathers and a gentle voice that could fill even the darkest night with comfort. Each evening, Nico perched on his favorite branch, high in an oak tree, and sang his sweet, soft songs. His melodies were delicate and slow, like a lullaby, and the forest creatures loved hearing them before they drifted off to sleep. One night, as Nico began his song, he noticed the moon was especially bright. It was a full moon, glowing like a pearl in the deep, dark sky. Nico tilted his head and whispered, "Oh, moon, how beautiful you are tonight." To Nico's surprise, the moon seemed to shine even brighter, as if it had heard him. Then, in a voice as soft as stardust, the moon replied, "Thank you, Nico. I come here each night to watch over the forest, but sometimes I feel lonely. Would you sing me one of your songs? I'd love to hear the music that fills this place." Nico's heart warmed. He had never thought of singing to the moon before, but now he wanted to. He took a deep breath, feeling the gentle breeze rustling his feathers, and began to sing a lullaby even softer than usual. His notes floated up through the trees, twirling and dancing in the cool night air, reaching higher and higher until they touched the stars. As Nico sang, the moon's glow softened, casting a silvery light over the forest. All around him, Nico's friends, the rabbits, the deer, and even the sleepy squirrels, stopped to listen. Nico's song was gentle and soothing, wrapping each creature in a warm blanket of peace and calm. When Nico finished his song, he looked up at the moon, which was now glowing with a gentle golden light. The moon whispered, "Thank you, Nico. Your song has filled my heart with joy, and I'll carry it with me as I drift across the sky." Nico smiled, feeling a deep sense of peace. He realized that sometimes sharing a bit of kindness, even in the form of a song, could bring light to someone else's night. The moon began to move slowly across the sky, and Nico settled back into his rest, his heart full and warm. As Nico drifted off to sleep, he felt a gentle glow from the moon's light on his feathers, a reminder that his song was now part of the sky. And from that night on, every time he saw the full moon, Nico remembered their quiet moment together, and he knew his song would forever be a part of the night.